ॐ गणाधिपो भानुशशीधरां सुतबुधो गुरुभार्गवसूर्यनन्दनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परन्नवग्रह कुर्वन्तु पूर्णमनोरथं सदा उपेन्द्र इन्द्रो वरुणो हुताशनं धर्मो यमो वायु हरिश्चतुर्भुजं गन्धर्वयक्षो रगसिद्धचारणा कुर्वन्तवो पूर्णमनोरथं सदा।
प्रेम से बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की। So devotees, what a day, what a time, what an occasion. Here we are, having listened to most wonderful bhajan and kirtan, especially bhajans, by this young group, former students of ours in Swaha Hindu College, are now professionals in their own right, all of them. They always answer the call whenever called upon. And I want to say blessings to you all. And they may not have said it to you, but many of the devotees who came and said, they're singing good, I like what they're singing. So I'm telling you what they said to me. I'm telling you as they sold it to me. So take a bow, be proud, and keep up the good work. And I keep telling you each time we meet, let no one get in between to counteract you at all. Remain the pure way that you are, the singing that you're doing, and you shall go one way, and that is forward, upward, and Godward. So blessings to all of you and your parents. Now the puja has just been concluded, and we're very happy to see so many of you who came out to make your offerings first of all. That is indeed a most worthy, notable action that you have performed. This is what needs to be done on such occasions. And it may appear like nothing, but remember, every action has many aspects to it. Most important, bhav, feelings, and very importantly, the effect or the result of it. So you have sown a seed in this wonderful time of Hanuman Jayanti, and in time to come, through the grace of Hanumanji, that will blossom into a wonderful tree, bearing fruits for you and your family. So, I want to say at the outset, Shubh Hanuman Jayanti. That means, may we continue to have a very auspicious Hanuman Jayanti celebrations, not only now, but in future. Now, if you have been reading, and I hope you have, we need to continue to educate ourselves. There are two Hanuman Jayantis in the year. This one in the month of Chait and the other in the month of Kartik. So how come he couldn't be born twice? It's very simple. This one is considered most powerful and widely celebrated because in this Hanuman Jayanti, there's what we call a spiritual birth. When you are struck by Indra as you are going towards the sun, we shall perhaps explain that later on or some other day. And so the breeze was in cessation and man began to suffocate. And so they asked, what can we do to bring back normalcy to human civilization? I remember what's happening here. From time to time, civilization, humanity is threatened by madmen who do foolish things. I call no names and I refer to nobody. But we are living in present time where that is happening. And who can help us? Pawandev. So when there was a serious situation where man couldn't breathe, he was stifling, they all appealed, please help us. This is a serious situation, the world will come to an end. And then the father of Hanuman, he said, you struck my son, you gave me pain and you want happiness? The world doesn't work like that. It cannot work like that. If you give me pain, you will get pain. Again, recorded in perhaps in double. If you want happiness, give me happiness. So they said, what do you want? He said, restore my son back to consciousness. And so the breeze, as we say, to use the historical aspect, the breeze began to blow once again. You know what it is like when you don't have the breeze and you're stifling and it's very hot? So when that happened, then all came back to normalcy. And so the Devatas were told, if you want this to happen, you all have to bless my son. And each Devata, they offer a blessing to Hanumanji. That's why his worship is so powerful. That is why he's so well loved. That's why he's everything you can think of. Ramadut Atulit Bal, he's everything. And so they all gave him various Vardhana boons. And when he got the boon, he sprang to his feet and he began to do what only he could do. I won't speak more about that. That's a different katha. But now, to put us in that frame of mind, to become more receptive to the katha and to the glories of Hanumanji, we shall go straight into Hanuman Chalisa. Who doesn't sing that? Who doesn't love it? And so I hand over to our chairperson, Chandika, who shall explain to us what happens here. However, before I do that, forgive me, Chand, you would have heard that the chanting of the Hanuman Chalisa is vital. Not only on a Tuesday and a Saturday, but any time you find yourself in entanglements, focus upon the comely form of Hanumanji and chant his name, chant the Chalisa, bestow the and so on. Now, it is said here, and I want to quote this. The Chalisa she recited 100 times. Ye shatabat pad kar koi chute bandi mahasukh hoi. So who wants to do 108, 1008, 10,008? That's your choice, the more the merrier. But Tulsi Das, with the authority, he says chanting Hanuman Chalisa should be done 100 times. If it's done, it's sure to be one is sure to be freed from worldly bondage and enjoy great happiness. That is what the authority says. Another correction is, we have all been saying Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapishti Huluka Ujagar, Rama Dut Atulit Baldhama, Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama, Mahavir Vikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi, Kanchan Baran Viraj Suvesha Kanana Kundal Kunchita Kesha, Hat Brajya Udvaya Viraje, Kandhe Mo Jane Usaje. Most of the editions have the normal way. But now the Sanskrit scholars, they have looked at the Hanuman Chalisa and they have cleaned it up and they say Swayam. And Pandit Gyanadev has been saying that all the while because he has been to India a number of times and he has made that correction. But the writers in India and other places, they continue to say Swayam, Sayang, Suyang, Suan, Suan, Suan Keshari Nandan. Suan is the sun. Right? He says Swayam, and that is the Sanskrit. So I'm just saying that we're not condemning anything. Remember, you could do it 100 times, 108 times, 1,010 times, whatever. And you can say Suan or Swayam. Swayam. But we are accustomed to saying Suan. So we say what we know. So I just thought I would mention that before we engage in the chanting of the Hanuman Chalisa by over to Chandika. She will do the necessary.
Sitaram, Jai Shri Sitaram, Jai Bajrang Bali. Shubh Hanuman Jayanti to each and every one of you. I feel like I don't want to detract from the train that Daddy has started on, but it is my duty to welcome each and every one of you on behalf of spiritual leader Pandit Balaram Prasad, Guru Mai and the executive of Swaham Shakti Mandali. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to tonight's second session of our Hanuman Yagya on the auspicious occasion of Sri Hanuman Jayanti. Last night we listened to a Khan Sundar Kand by distinguished Pandits of Swaha, expounding on Sri Hanumanji's virtue and his eventful and divine journey across the ocean to Lanka to Sita Ma. Bajrang Ban is the ultimate Sri Ram Bhakt, built from courage, faith, unmatched strength, and selfless love for Maryada Purushottam, Prabhu Sri Ram. Join with us as we continue to build on the beauty of this momentous occasion as I hand you over to Angela and Sarvani, who will sing us the Sri Hanuman Chalisa.
Hanumanji is at the back of you. That wonderful painting. It was done by the art teacher of Swaha Hindu College. Unbelievable what he has done. The artists in India marveled. They couldn't believe that we have people in Trinidad who could do such great work. Hanumanji is also in front of you. There. So you have him in front of you, behind you, at the side of you, around you, but most important, in you. Try to feel that presence of the Lord within you, and it's only you could do that. So over to the recitation of the Hanuman Chalisa.
Shri Guru Charan Saroraja Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Barno Raghubar Vimal Jasu Jodayak Palachar Buddhahin Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumar बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ ध्वजा विराजे काले मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर स्वयं केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लगन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस्रवदन तुम्हारो यश गावे हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा नारद शारद सहित अहीशा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण मा जग जाना। युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लीलोता ही मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेरी मुख माही, जल विराग गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जीते, सुलभ अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख है तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को धरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाथ ठेकाते। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जोड़ावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के राता, असवर लीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंधकार रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शतवार पाठ कर कोई, जो सही बंदी महासुख होई। जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धिसा के गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिप्रिया, कीजे नाथ हृदय महरिया। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियापति रामचंद्र की जय शरणम।
बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिं वातां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, बोलो जय जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, जय शक्ति हनुमान। जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, बोलो जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, ओ जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान, 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 हे जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, बोलो जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, जय 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 महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, ओ जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, बोलो जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, 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 ओ जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर, बजरंग बली बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली, बजरंग बली बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली, बजरंग बजरंग बली बजरंग बली, बजरंग बली बजरंग बली, बजरंग बली बजरंग बली, बजरंग बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की devotees. The question is asked again and again, why worship Hanuman on a Tuesday and a Saturday? Notice I didn't say only, but why specifically on a Tuesday and Saturday? And the answer is very simple. Devotee, we have what we call graha, unfavorable times. And graha, when such times come, we need to perform various rites and rituals. The most important being Graha Puja, under the guidance of your Guru. Don't do like this individual, and I remember this very clearly. She decided to do a 100-day fast. Nothing is wrong in that. You can fast for how long you want. But the problem was she chose the wrong time to start it. After a few days, various kind of complications began to happen. And when they rushed her to the Baba, and I won't say who the Baba was, so you might want to know how I know. So when they rushed her to the Baba, and he checked, he realized that she had started the fast on an inauspicious day. What was it? Mrityu Yoga. Mrityu means death. And you all know we have auspicious times and inauspicious times. And I'm not asking anybody to believe what I'm saying. I'm just stating what we know from the scripture, and so it's up to you. So if you want to start something good on an inauspicious time, what do you expect to get? Inauspiciousness. So she was in a terrible state. And then what we said, we won't say, that's a different story. If you want to know, I can tell you afterwards. So bear this in mind. Don't play pundit. Sorry to put it that way, blunt. We have spirit. Let's put it this way. Why do we have a guru? The guru is one to guide us, to help us, to protect us, to inspire us, to motivate us, etc. And he's the spiritual guide. Look at how the world is. In chemistry or physics or science, you have that individual who is the expert in that particular profession. So therefore, you seek the advice of that individual. Make sense? In every field, they're the expert, they're the professional, and you get that advice. Whether you take it or you accept it or you like it or you don't like it, that's not my point. My point is we have experts in every field. We consult them first. In the spiritual field, we have what we call Guruji. So if you want to pack up your Guru, you'll get packed up. Sorry to put it that way. We ought to know who is our Guru and bat accordingly and act accordingly. I'm not trying to scare anybody or frighten anybody. Why would I do that? I will not get anything at all by doing that. I'm simply letting you know what is the way. So, we are being told in the spiritual field, the expert is Guruji. So here now, what are we saying? When we have things not going well, and I'll tell you what some of the signs and symptoms of things not going well. It is enumerated here. We have 9 planets, Graha Devatas. When 5 or more listen carefully, when 5 or more are on the left-hand side of your planet, that is inauspiciousness. And therefore we have to rectify that, put it in alignment, and one way to do is through spiritual practices and a Graha Puja. So if somebody come and tell you have a Graha for the next 10 years, run for your life, if you could run. That is not so, that can't be so. It is usually for a year, a particular point in that year. You don't have Graha, then we all doomed. That should not be. Devotees, too much of superstition and misinformation in Hinduism. And that is leading us astray. And India, backward, they have the same problems. Where those village barbers, etc., they're creating havoc among the people, telling me have to do this and do that and do the other. You choose what is right, what is constructive, what is based upon scriptural knowledge. And if you don't know or you were misled, there are others who can help you. Others who will be willing to help you. So, the Graha is very important. All you do is do a puja or after a certain fast of a number of days. And then when you do the puja, through the grace of the Graha Devatas, all will be well. But, hear this. He who is a devotee of Hanuman, and I hope I said it loud and hard enough. He who is a devotee of Hanuman, the Graha Devatas will never attack them or trouble them or humbug them. Do I have to say it again? Become a devotee of Hanuman, and then you're free to fly like him, free to move like him. Devotees are so powerful as Hanumanji, and that's why he's worshipped on Tuesdays and Saturdays. What is Tuesday and what is Saturday? Planet Mars or Mangal and Shani or Saturn is Saturday. And many people say, he talk, that's okay. I can tell you because I speak from experience and from the wisdom of the elderly. Okay? So here now, Tuesdays and Saturdays. The Hindi word for Tuesday, you all ought to know. I won't tell you. Find out that your homework. The Hindi word for Saturday is also Shani Dev. I'll tell you that one. Because Shani is the important person. He is called the God of justice. Will God want any injustice to be done to us? That is not so. So here what? Saturn is in charge of the bones, the teeth, the knees and the ears of the individual. And Mars rules the blood, the malefic effects of Shani in recurring health problems. It is referred to as the planet of darkness and results in delays, frustrations, difficulties and depression. And depression is a big problem. That's why we have all the solution in Hinduism. Hanuman Baba is there. Hanuman Baba is there. Become a devotee of Hanumanji. Worship him Tuesday, Saturday or any day. His glories can be sung at any time by anyone, any place. You have to be in a special place. But obviously environment plays an important part. It does play an important part. So, this is what, there's a lot more, I'm just giving you a gist of it. So, let us become devotees of Hanuman. Now, let us glorify Hanumanji once again in a very simple kirtanam. And then we move on. Marutanandana namo namah, Kashtabhanjana namo namah, Asuranikandana namo namah, Shri Ramadutam namo namah. Marutanandana namo namah, Kashtaya Bhanjana namo namah, Asuranikandana namo namah, Shri Ram रामदूतं नमो नमः मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः कष्टय भञ्जन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः कष्टय भञ्जन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः हे मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः कष्टय भञ्जन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः कष्टय भञ्जन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की. So devotees, I'm just giving you bits and pieces so we can understand the greatness of Hanumanji with the short time that we have. Now devotees, let us go into how he came into this world. And I go straight into Kishkanda Kanda of Ramayana, where Tulsidas is saying, हिमचल एक पर्वत के पासा हिमचल एक पर्वत के पासा कश्यप ऋषि तप तेज प्रकाशा राम तेज प्रकाशा दिग्गज एक ऐरावत समा आयो ऋषि सन्मुख दुर्धरया निरखिता ही ऋषि सकल सकानी चले न चरण शिथिल भय मारे ताते तोरते ही बन कर राजा केशरी नाम तेज बल छाजा राम तेज बल छाजा जय राम श्री राम जय श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम राम जय जय राम So devotees, I will just explain what has transpired. The monkeys and bears are sitting on the seashore. They are devatas in that form. And listen, each word is meaningful. They are devatas in the forms of monkeys and bears. Devotees, we don't condemn creation, the creation of the Lord. Because each person has something special. As the saying goes, condemn the sin. Don't condemn the sinner. Don't condemn the person, but the action he's performing. And therefore, if we act like that, we'll stop saying, I just saw her in a fete and now she's playing whatever. You know how they say it, right? I don't have to go into that level. So here now, these are devatas in that form who came to help Bhagwan Sri Ram in his mission, which is to destroy evil. And so they got an instruction that do not leave here until word is found or given or some message comes as to the whereabouts of Sita. Eventually they were told Sita is in Ashok Vatika. Whoever can go 100 miles, flying or swimming or what have you, will be able to go to her, carry a message of hope and consolation. And I hope we are such individuals. Where we go, we spread hope, we spread words of consolation and not degradation and what have you. It's so easy to say negative things. So, they start there, some biting their nails, some drawing on the sand, some looking at this vast seashore and crying and all sorts of action they're performing. Isn't that what we also do as devotees of God? There are times when the situation at hand becomes so overwhelming, we break down. We become victims of it. We cry, we ask for solution, devotees. But we all know good things come to those who wait. So eventually they were told you need to go to Lanka 100 miles away, which is 800 yojan. 100 yojan, 800 miles. And so who could go will be able to do the Lord's work. Many expressed how far they could go. Only one said he could go, but he's not sure he could come back. And devotees sitting among them was the mightiest and yet the most silent. The most silent of them all, Pawan Sut Hanuman. Now why? There's a whole incident behind that. I'll just give you the gist as we go along. There's so much to say about Hanuman, it's unbelievable. So, when Pawan Dev released the air and society came back to normalcy, devotees, Hanumanji getting all his bardan. You ever see a child highly energized, can't control the energy? He jumps, he moves here, does here, all sorts of things. And parents say, sometimes they come by the Baba to Baba, check the boy, something wrong with him, he can't stay quiet, jump on him. Jump on your child, imagine you saying that. I wish you well. Once I even tell one, catch it, jumpy and bring it, put it in a bottle, cock it and bring it, I go look after it. I ain't get it jumpy yet. Where did jumpy in your mind? Isn't that so? We allow these things to flood our minds. We have to flood our minds with positivity, with divinity, with spirituality. Devotees. And no matter, I could say this again next year and 10 years until I die too, until the next pandemic come, and the situation will be the same with some people, those who don't want to change. You know, they're saying there's none so blind as he who has eyes and will not see. There's none so deaf as he who has ears and will not hear. I have more than that. So devotees, this is the situation with human civilization, human beings. So among them was who? The mightiest, and he was sitting in the most silent. He didn't say a word. But there was one called Jamwan, the wisest of them all. He knew the secret of Hanumanji. He knew what the secret was, and he will never know his power until he reminded of it. And I want to remind you of that. I'm going to say it over. He will never know his power until he's reminded of it. Do you know your power? Do we know what we possess? Do we know the great things that we have within us? Sometimes somebody has to bring it out from us. They have to do that. Then we can say, okay, I didn't know I could have do that. You didn't know you could have do that. No problem. We cannot sit as helpless beings. The situation can be hopeless, but we're not helpless. We should always strive to do something positive and developmental and constructive. And devotees, what happened when he got all his burden, he couldn't keep it. So he went to the sadhus, and I'm not telling anybody to do this. He would go and take the ghanti and throw it in the river. He would take the flowers and throw it in the river. He would make noises, all sorts of things, in order to distract them, to disrupt them. That's why many a time the Baba said, leave the child. Some who have nerves or can't take it, they say, shut up, want to the child. We can't train your child? Train your child what? We all children, we need training. We all need training. So you don't comment on anybody's children. Right? I'm just saying that. So what happened is, this great sage called Trinavindu, he realized this child was destined for great things. He's the divine Lord, a form of Shivaji. And so he placed what we call a shrap. Now shrap is really a blessing. So don't come and tell me, you know, my guru gave me a shrap and a shrap for 100 years and I will suffer for so and so. You want to remain so, no problem. Your mind is a prison and your thinking is the prisoner. You are not in that kind of situation. You are Homo sapiens, Bare Bhag Manush Tan Pava. The human being is blessed. He's standing on the doorway to heaven, to salvation, to liberation. And you want to feel you're a prisoner in yourself? Bound by chains? That should not be so. So, when Trinavindu made that comment, devotees Hanuman from there would always sit very quietly. Now this also is a good lesson. It's good to be quiet. Calm the mind. Calm. You ever enjoy the music of silence? The music of silence is the best music to enjoy. Where you sit there and you're at peace with yourself. And that we don't find that so very often. The mind is running riot and we need to control it. So here Hanumanji was enjoying another thing, music of silence. But we'll talk about Hanuman and music another time. He's a great master musician, you know. So, what happened is, he remained calm. And that's why here, God, Sri Ram leaves him. And he's sitting unaware, unconcerned. And Jamwan finds that it shouldn't be so. So he stood up and he began to glorify Hanumanji. And that's why we sing Hanuman Chalisa. That's why we glorify Hanuman. So we can invoke his blessings and his powers to help us to overcome our challenges. So there is this little bhajan. It says, O karonge naiya par, karonge naiya par, tu hi ho khevaiya, karonge naiya par, pavan sud pyare, karonge naiya par, pavan sud pyare, tu hi ho khevaiya, karonge naiya par, pavan sud pyare, अतल रघुपति के तुम हो सखी, संकट सकल नशैया, राम संकट सकल नशैया, तनिक दया कर भनक सुनो तुम, है अंजनी के छैया, करोगे नैया पार, पवन सुन प्यारे करे कृपाल लाय मिलाये, अनुज सहित रघुरैया, राम अनुज सहित रघुरैया, भक्त शिरोमणि तुलसीदास भये, रामचरित कथैया, करोगे नैया पार, पवन सुत प्यारे, करोगे नैया पार, करोगे नैया पार, तू ही हो खेवैया, निश्चर वंश विभीषण के तुम बन गए राजल खैया, रामा बन गए लाज रखैया। राज लंक का दिला दिया तुम, ऐसे ये देख ले भैया, करोगे नैया पार। तू ही हो खेवैया, राम रामांकित कपिवर सुंदर तन सुधरैया, रामा सुंदर तन सुधरैया। महावीरन धीर केशरी, नंदन काष्ठ हरैया, करोगे नैया। हे हनुमान जय हनुमान, बोलो हनुमान। हे हनुमान भानु के भक्षक रक्षक जनयपनैया, राम रक्षक जनयपनैया। राम दूत बजरंग विशाले, सब विधि धैर्य धरैया, करोगे नैया पार। As I sing this last verse, whatever is in your mind, whatever is in your family way, whatever it is, devotees, lay them at the feet of Hanuman. If you offer flowers or offer prasadam, he is there, he is listening, and he will answer your prayer. Of this have no doubt. Today is the day he came in this world. For who? For you and I. And so, here we are. जन मन रंजन दुष्ट विभंजन, भक्तन काज करैया, रामा भक्तन काज करैया। जन मन रंजन जन मन रंजन, जन मन रंजन जन मन रंजन, दुष्ट विभंजन, भक्तन काज करैया, रामा भक्तन काज करैया। शिव प्रसाद निर्बल के तुम हो, बिगड़ी किस उठाए रैया, करोगे नैया पार। पवन सुत प्यार, करोगे नैया पार। तू ही हो खेवैया, करोगे नैया पार। पवन सुत प्यारे, बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की। So devotee Jamat knew the secret, and that's why up to now we must chant his name in Chalisa, in Bhajan, in Kirtan, in Stuti, what have you. And then what happens? When he began to chant the name, devotees, they began to see visible movements on the body of Hanuman. And so he began to vibrate with divine energy and Shakti until he could keep it no more. And he stood up. And devotees, he began to grow, although the sky seemed to be filled with his form. That is spiritual power. And devotees, the earth sunk below him. And then he grumbled, Garje. Hanuman Baba speaks with conviction. In a Mumuawi, he speaks with conviction. I know what I want, I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm about to do, and I know the result of it. And I have confidence in my Lord, and I will act. And so he said, Garje in a loud voice, O Jamant, O bears and monkeys, O brothers, remain right here. If you have to drink water from the ocean, do that. Eat fruits from the trees. Do not leave until I return. I'm going to serve the Lord. Rama kaj kinhe bina mohi kaha bishram. How can I rest when so much needs to be done? Again, powerful message from Hanumanji in such a simple way. Powerful message. Ram kaj kinhe bina mohi kaha bishram. How can I rest? How can I stay away when so much needs to be done? So those who want to make, mistakes, not mistakes, but excuses for not doing X, Y, and Z, when you have the opportunity and the time, you fix up. That's your choice. Life is one of choice. And when you make a choice, you either rejoice or you regret. Decide, devotees. So he spoke to them, and ek chalang, one plunge, he went skyward. Jai Shri Ram. And devotees, the faith and the belief and the hope on those monkeys who were expressing frustration came back. And it was only a matter of time when Hanumanji will return. But we can't go into that. Devotees, I pray as I conclude, may Hanumanji bless us abundantly. And may we continue to serve him in this way. Tuesdays, Saturdays, and any other time. Devotees, choose a day that to your liking if you want. And begin to recite Hanuman Chalisa, do Havan, whatever it might be. And devotees, you will see the power of Hanumanji working in your favor. You know what? Let us say there's a boxing match. When did the person lose the match? When you get knocked down? No, people get knocked down. When you get knocked down, you can get up. So it's not when you get knocked down, but when you stay down. Devotees, God doesn't want us to stay down. He wants us to get up. And in whatever way we can, we'll not feel 100% every day. Every day I go in Puja, I meet people who just like me, they don't feel top of the line, but yet they do what they're supposed to do. You have to do, devotees, a strong will. Men sana in corpore sano, as they told us in Latin class long ago. Devotee, we must have a strong will, and that is the Hanuman principle. Bole Shri Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki. So, I would like to go on, but I know it's... Yeah? That's good. There's a lot more to be said, but we'll find another time. I just want to leave you with this quotation, devotees, I found so very, very... What is the motto of Hanumanji? What is your motto? Eat, eat and sleep. Eat, sleep and eat. What is your motto, devotees? What is your motto? Hear what Hanumanji's motto is. And we all went to a school or some institution, and there was a motto. Wasn't there so? Where's the motto in your school? Where's the motto in your school, young lady? Archana. Hard work and prayer. That guides you, that drives you. I have to work hard and I have to say my prayer. Right, Abhay? Right, so let me tell you what Hanumanji's motto. I could go back home and write it and put it on the wall. We like to put all kind of pictures and paintings of whoever and whatever. But this, the motto of Hanumanji, simple living. Simple living, high thinking. Get the point? Simple living, but high thinking. That greatest is achieved by a combination of goodness, service, and holiness. No bhakti, no mukti. No devotion, no liberation. So you decide. Bole Shri Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki. So I know the Havan is completed, right, Pandit Vinayak? All right. I want to say a special blessing to our Shrota, two individuals who are very close and was and is close. When my father was around, Sujat was a man of business, very close to him. And his wife Sunita, she is also here, doing very good work. We're happy to have them, and every year for Hanuman Jayanti, their day. That's a commitment. Commitment every Hanuman Jayanti day is Sunita and Sujat. S and S. Wonderful. We hope other married couple will follow that example and also choose some day, which is your day, to make a mark, to make it special. Now, I feel we should glorify Hanumanji again. We didn't do it enough. So, no? Janapati. Janapari Kripa Karo Hanuman. That's a good one. So let us join together. Janapari Kripa Karo Hanuman. Now, there are many ways in which this song can be sung. There are the old time Sarvawe, and there's also the kind of modern way. So I will Ask Hanuman to guide me. And let me hear what he will say. कृपा करो कृपा करो कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो हनुमान बाबा कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो हनुमान राम के द्वारे तुम रखवारे महावीर बलवान संकट मोचन नाम तुम्हारे संकट मोचन नाम तुम्हारे धरत संत तेरा ध्यान कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई हाथ में सोता लाल लंगोटा लाल लंगो लाल लंगोटा मुख में नागर पान पैठी पताल ही रावण मारो पैठी पताल ही रावण मारो देवी नदियों वरदान कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई मकर ध्वज के राज तिलक दियो अपने पुत्र कर जान राम लखन के शोक निवारो राम लखन हे राम लखन के शोक निवारो दल में लिए हनुमान कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई राम लखन के शोक निवारो शोक निवारो शोक दल में लिए हनुमान तुलसीदास पर कृपा कीजिए तुलसीदास पर कृपा कीजिए भक्त अपनो जान कृपा करो हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो हनुमान बाबा कृपा कृपा करो हनुमान जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान कृपा करो कृपा करो कृपा करो हनुमान बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की. And just in case we have the traditional around among us and they wanted the other way devotees, then we all know. O जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हे जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हो जन पर राम के द्वारे तुम रखवारे महावीर बलवान, जन पर महावीर बलवान, जन पर महावीर बलवान, राम के द्वारे तुम रखवारे महावीर बलवान, हो जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हो जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हे जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। संकट मोचन नाम तुम्हारो धरत संत तेरा ध्यान, जन पर धरत संत तेरा ध्यान, हाथ में सूत लाल लंगोटा, मुख में नागर पान, हो जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हो जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हे जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान। बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की. So devotees, I tried with a little time I had to give you a various all-round view of Hanuman, but that's still yet a drop in the ocean. We haven't done justice. So if you're not satisfied, I am happy that you're not satisfied. It means that you'll come tomorrow to get more of the glories of Hanumanji. I pray in my own conscientious, simple, sincere way. May Hanumanji bless us abundantly, because I have seen the blessing of Hanumanji. And devotees, when you have that with you, many will wish you bad, many will wish you will fall, many will wish you ill, but devotees, you stand up like a pillar of a rock of Gibraltar. Undaunted devotees become devotees of Hanuman. There are so many various powers and siddhi he possesses. Ashta siddhi now nidhi ke data, asavaradeen Janki Mata. So we have to stop there, devotees. We'll go straight into Arati. If anybody came while this course wasn't going on, was in progress, and you wish to make your offering, you haven't done so, feel free to so do. As now we shall go straight into the Arati. I have Balaji ki Arati. Sab koi khara ho jaye, please all stand. I never sang it yet. I have a copy. I don't know how, but it came in my possession. So Balaji is another name. In South India, they call him Hanuman. He's called Balaji. Om Sajang Chavarti Sanyuktang Vahin Yogitang Maya Deepam Grihana Devasya Trayokya Timirapam Iti Deepam Agni Rejoti Nama. Put Chandana. Yeah. जय हनुमत बीरा बाबा जय हनुमत बीरा सिंपल
जय हनुमत बीरा जय हनुमत बीरा
ओम जय हनुमत बीरा बाबा जय हनुमत बीरा
जय हनुमत बीरा बाबा जय हनुमत बीरा वीरा
संकट मोचन स्वामी आपो रणधीरा जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
पवन पुत्र अंजनी सुत महिमा अति भारी दुख दरिद्र मिटावो संकट सब हारी
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
बाल समय में तुमने रवि को भक्ष लियो देवन स्तुति की तब प्रभु छारी दियो
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
कपि सुग्रीव राम संग मैत्री करवाई बाली मराय कपीश कद्री गलवाला
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
शंका जारी लाय सिय सुधि बानर हर्षाये कारज कठिन तुहारे रघुबर मन भाये
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
शक्ति लगी लक्ष्मण के भारे सोच भयो लायस जीवन बूटी दुख सब दूर कियो
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
जय हनुमत वीरा
बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
ले पताल ही रावण जब ही पैठ गयो ताही मारी प्रभु लाए जय जयकार भयो
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
खाता सारग ले शक्ति दर्शन दुनियारी मंगल औषण शब मेला लगता है भारी
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
श्री बालाजी की आरती जो कोई नर गावे कहत इंद्र हर्षित मन वांछित फल पावे
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा संकट मोचन स्वामी आप ही हो रणधीरा जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा
जय हनुमत वीरा जय हनुमत वीरा बाबा जय हनुमत वीरा
जय हनुमत वीरा जय हनुमत
वीरा वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम राम रसिया रे प्रभु मन बसिया रे
अति बलवाना राम राम बसियो रे प्रभु मन बसियो रे
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम राम रसिया रे प्रभु मन बसिया रे
वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम राम बसियो रे प्रभु मन बसियो रे
सीताराम रे सीताराम सीताराम रे राधे श्याम
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 वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम राम रसिया रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम वीर हनुमान अति बलवान राम राम रसिया रे वीर हनुमान अति बलवान राम राम रसिया रे वीर हनुमान अति बलवान राम राम रसिया रे राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की वीर हनुमान ओ वीर हनुमान वीर हनुमान अति बलवान राम राम रसिया रे वीर हनुमान अति बलवान राम राम रसिया रे ओ प्रभु मन बसिया रे ओ प्रभु मन बसिया रे दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंग बली का क्या कहना दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंग बली का क्या कहना इनकी शक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी भक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी शक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी शक्ति का क्या कहना दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंग बली का क्या कहना दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंग बली का क्या कहना दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंग बली का क्या कहना हो बोलो कमरों की हमारी कबड़िया हो बजरंग बली खबलों की हमारी कबड़िया हो बजरंग बली ओ बोलो कबलों की हमारी कबड़िया हो बजरंग बली ओ बोलो कबलों की हमारी कबड़िया हो बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली खबरों के हमारी खबरिया हो बजरंग बली ओ बोलो खबरों के हमारी खबरिया हो बजरंग बजरंग बली कबलों की हमरी कंवरिया हो बजरंग बली कबलों की हमरी कंवरिया हो बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली बजरंग बली।
We join in closing. शिव हरे शिव राम सखे प्रभो त्रिविध ताप निवारण हे विभो अज जनेश्वर यादव पाहि माम शिव हरे विजयं कुरु मे वरम प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जय मंगलम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुध्वजं मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनो हरि उमावाहनं न जानामि विसर्जनं पूजां चैव न जानामि क्षम्यतां परमेश्वर त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धो च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। प्रेम से बोले श्री सीता रामचंद्र की जय। आज शक्ति जगदम्बिका माता की जय, स्वाहा माता की जय, गुरु महाराज की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की शुभ मस्तु कल्याण मस्तु। आपको धन्यवाद, सत्य आशीर्वाद। आप लोग बैठ जाएंगे। पाहि माम त्राहि माम। Om Tat Sat Shakti Sharanam. Go with Hanumanji. A few words we spoke about him, devotees. We need his blessing more than ever.
Om Ganadhipom Bhanu Shasidharam सुतो बुधों गुरु भार्गव सूर्य नंदनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परन्नवग्रह कुर्वन्तु पूर्ण मनोरथं सदा उपेन्द्र इंद्रो वरुणो हुताशनं धर्मो यमो वायु हरिश्चतुर्भुजं गंधर्वयक्षो रगसिद्धचारणा कुर्वन्तवो पूर्णमनोरथं सदा।